Guys, Legend Guy 365 here, and today we're going to be playing Will You Press the Button? I'm probably going to play this for about 10 minutes, and yeah, so here we go. You get to name the next big thing: planet, state, country, star, new search engine, etc. Some random comedian becomes amazingly famous for mocking this new name somehow. I would not. I don't want somebody to become famous. Katy Perry wins a Grammy. She stays irrelevant. That's funny. Yes, I would do that. You will live forever in youth and happiness. That sounds good. Slender will haunt you forever. Slender's not funny though. They're scary. You can become invisible at will. You must be naked for it to work. No. You become extremely proficient at playing an instrument. You can imagine every time you play music, you repeatedly soil yourself. No. Like that one. You instantly master your favorite hobby or craft. You must live with an unwashable mullet for the rest of your life. So you basically have a dread? No. Don't like that one. Here we go. Click the X. You will have the fastest internet connection in the world. It only works with Internet Explorer. Okay, what's wrong with Internet Explorer? Like, what the heck is wrong with it? I'm gonna press the button, I don't care. Dislike that one. The exiest, most intelligent, funniest, greatest woman on the planet wants to marry you, but she is your daughter. No. I don't care. Click the X. You hear the most beautiful, awesome piece of music. It will be the only song you ever hear. X to the no. Just like, you can eat cake for the rest of your life, but the cake is a lie. Oh, Portal reference. Yes. Sorry, I didn't clue in there. I don't like that one. You could press this button or not. You'd still find out if you were with the majority or not. No, duh. I press the button, and I am with the majority. Live your life as your favorite video game character, but played by someone who's terrible at the game. No. You can get anything you want. You must sell your soul. I will not. You finally get the fame and celebrity. You finally get the fame and celebrity you've worked your whole life for on a hit TV show. But you fall in love with your married co-star. No. Get a real working lightsaber in any color and style you want. Have to take 4 years training, of course, and pass a difficult exam to get it. Yes, it's a lightsaber. World peace is created with never-ending prosperity for all. You die and no one else will know what you did. Okay. That just helps people. You win $3 million at a lottery. One of your hands will magically disappear. Okay, I'll do that. World peace is achieved. Sci-fi, country, rock, and metal metal music, video games, and books are abolished. No. Video games, no. I don't know. You become the smartest man in the world. You are confined to a wheelchair and have to type and talk in a robot voice forever. So, like Stephen Hawking? Yeah. Oh, God. Sorry, guys. So, like Stephen Hawking, yeah. Oh, go away, Game of War. 3, 2, 1, X. You don't learn enough right, having the fun bits of both genders. What the heck? I don't know. I'm not going to answer that one. You will have unlimited funds and never want for money again. You will have poor health and your lifespan is half of what it was before. No. Your Twitch subscriptions are free. Your favorite streamer will never be heard from again. Well, I don't think PewDiePie's a streamer, so I will do that. You don't pay taxes. You are paid in Stride gum. So the gum? Okay, I'll sell the gum. Okay. You never have to work for the rest of your life, but you always have to wear diapers. I shall wear it on my pinky and name it Dan. I would love both. Diapers are... Okay then. No. Don't like that one. Go away. Hey! You just made me skip a question! Oh no! Go cut food perfectly every time. Every knife you use will become dull to the person who uses it after you. Okay, then they can sharpen it. Okay, so Kurt Cobain will come back to life and make 20 more Nirvana albums. The next 5 presidents will be Republicans. Well, I'm in Canada! No, wait. Yes, I'm in Canada! So, I don't care. I don't even know who Kurt Cobain is. I'm gonna go check out Kurt Cobain. So I'm gonna pause it right now and go check out Kurt Cobain. Okay, yeah. Nirvana's a pretty good guy, band, whatever. Kurt Cobain. I mean, so, the gay in the world. Lose your soul. No. No. What would I do that for? You did not press the... Oh, yes. No, I didn't. I know that. You never have a nightmare again, and you always have awesome dreams. Sometimes you wake up in an unfamiliar classroom, naked on a test day. No? You will be successful in anything you dream of. You can never lie again, even if it hurts someone to say the truth. No. Don't want to hurt someone. You can have a parallel life as the opposite gender that you are able to switch between at any time you please. But the current you will have suffered a horrible accident and look ugly for the rest of your life. The other will not. No. You are now a character in your favorite video games. Graphics are exactly how you want it, but the gameplay remains the same. But there will be enough content for the rest of your life. You only get one life. So it's like life, but in a video game. But no, you have to keep replaying it, so no. You receive $10 million, but you have to eat trash for 3 days straight. Simple. I go into a store, demand all their good food to be thrown in a clean trash bin, and then, yeah, I eat out of that trash bin for 3 days, and yes, exactly. So smart. Become invisible. Invisibility is permanent. And no one can hear you. I pressed the button instead. I meant to not. You will gaze into someone else's future. There's a 50-50 chance that you'll look into your own future without realizing it. That sounds cool. You become super intelligent. You take everything said to you, literally. Sheldon Cooper. Okay, I'll do that. Okay. Well, guys, that is the end of Will You Press the Button for today. And, yeah, comment what you want me to play next. And, yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.